Hey friends, it's Sphere, the millennial girl in the material world, and today I have to share with you something that I wish I wasn't sharing with you. I was on my way home from work at about 1:30 in the morning. I was volunteering at a Ironman as a medical volunteer. A car was driving along beside me and starting to merge lanes, but I must have been in their blind spot and they either weren't looking or weren't paying attention. They just started moving over and my car sensed it before I could and just moved me out of the way. And everyone has asked for the dash cam footage. I have the front-facing footage that I'm about to show you now. The footage from the side, the car was just perfectly kind of in the blind spot that you don't really see much from the side, so it's not worth including. Now that you've seen how the car just moved me onto the other lane to protect me from the other car hitting me, I just meant to say that Tesla and Autopilot saved me from being in a crash. And I don't know how severe it would have been. Hopefully not that intense, but it could have been. And I'm just really thankful for Autopilot. So as far as I know, there's no other car on the market that will automatically move you over. There might be a car that senses, hey, somebody's coming into your lane and beep at you, but then you have to do it, and that requires a human to have response time, whereas the Tesla just did it before I even noticed that the other guy was merging into me. So I encourage everyone that if you want the utmost safety, to go ahead and get a Tesla. And if this video helped you decide on that, then go ahead and use my referral code. But I don't care about the referral code and like the 1,000 miles to 5,000 miles of free supercharging. Supercharging's super cheap anyway. I care about myself being safe, my husband being safe, and you being safe. Let's reduce accidents everywhere and bring down the rates of car insurance, am I right?